All right, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. Okay, we are BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this our channel is that we teach jamb slash university aspirants how to write post utme, jamb, and a host of other external examination, and we also guide them and assist them pass jamb, post utme, and gain admission at large. All right, so if you have written your jamb and you scored maybe very low, more than your expectation, and you do not want to write jamb in 2025 and you want to gain admission, all right, so I will advise you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. And if you don't want to get right jamb next year, you let me know on the comment section. You tell me that you want to join our WhatsApp community. You message me on what I'll give you my WhatsApp number so that you message me, and I'll get out the necessary information I need for you. Then at the end of the day, I'll add you to our community, and then we will help you out so that I can be able to gain admission this particular year. All right, so that's basically how we can help you do that. Okay, so today, just like the way I promised all my subscribers, I promise all my subscribers that I will be I'll be giving them update on this channel back to back. And update I'm giving here is back to back. All right, so almost on daily basis I'll be uploading content almost on daily basis from now, so that you guys will not miss out. That's the reason why I'm doing that, so that nobody will miss out with anything. Okay, so on daily basis I'll be uploading content for you guys. Okay, so subscribe and stay tuned. So they asked me a question about the private universities that doesn't write post utme. Of course, I've come here to answer it. I've done the very first part of this video. You can check it out on the channel. This is the second part of this video. I told you guys I'll be splitting it into parts, because if I leave it on the first video, it will be very long. All right, the video will be very long, and you guys wouldn't want to start from beginning and finish the video because it's very long, and me myself, I don't like watching lengthy videos. All right, so I will start today's on. Let me start today's on. The last previous day on, I ended at Babcock University. So today on, I will start from. Please, you can get your paper and pencil or paper and biro to jot it down while I'm giving you. You can be jotting it down. All right, so if your school or institution of choice is not here, you can actually check out for the next video. All right, for the continuation of this video, so that you can be able to get your institution. And after checking all the videos on the platform and your institution is not there also, you kindly note that your institution writes post utme examination. Okay, so the the first one here now today is base university. Base university. This university is located at FCT Abuja. That's where this university is located. Then the next one there is Bells University of Technology, Ota, Ogun State. That's where it's located. So the third one on our list is Benson Dahosa University. Benson Dahosa University, Benin City, Edo State. All right. So the next one is Benham University, Plateau State. That's where the school is. That's the fourth one on our list, Benham University. And the fifth one on our list is Bowen University. That's the fifth one on our list. Bowen University is located at Osun State. All right. So the That's the fifth one on our list. So the sixth one on our list is Caleb University. Caleb University is located at Lagos State. That's the sixth one on our list, Caleb University. Then the seventh one on our list is Caritas University. Caritas University is located at Enugu State. Located at Enugu State. So the very last on our list is CTIP University. It's also located at Lagos State. Okay, so this is the institutions. All right, so this is the institutions that doesn't write post-UTME. Okay, so what they do is only screening. They will screen you with your O-level result and your jamb result, and at the end of the day they will score you. All right, so you get admitted. Okay, so that's basically where we're ending this video for today. So please, I want to remind you and also want to encourage you, so if you like this video, you give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will notify it for other persons out there looking for this kind of opportunity. All right, so this is where we're ending, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe. So I love you guys, because your subscription always encourage me. Okay, I love you guys. So until I see you guys again in my next video, don't forget, I love you guys. Okay, you win with us, and when you win with us, you keep winning. Okay, keep winning.